everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories and to talk about the House of Zwide. Guys, after the previous episode we were convinced ukuthi impilo kaZanele iphelile, impilo kaZanele is just under the bridge. uZanele was kind of like dating Alex, who wanted to use her for his own advantage just to get to Ufunani, which didn't work guys. uZanele guys ingane kamawakhe. Now I know she is her mother's daughter. She decided to visit uFaith esibhedlela sabagula ngekhanda, wamtshela ngenkinga yenkila itheka abhekene naye khala minyembezi, and guess what? Faith told her daughter to tell that person who want to leak ama pictures akhe ukuthi akawaleak, akawakhiphe, akawafake ku social media akenze into afuna ukuyenza. She must just go forward and leak those nude pictures. And guys, uZanele did exactly that. And Alex, he couldn't believe his eyes, were very waphoxeka nje, and he came up with a plan B to poison Ufunani. Ogcina sengena esibhedlela kuthiwa unenkinga yezinto. And guys, Ufunani won't be part of the fashion week because of that. What I don't know is how will that benefit Alex ukuthi Ufunani ulele esibhedlela uzobenefita ini Alex from that. So yeah guys, what Faith did today might help her back to the house of Zwide, or to the Zwide family and Zwide house. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion.